Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can backtest on trading view indicators. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in. And now right after that, you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT. And just down below this chart, you can see the Pine Editor option. So you need to click on that option and now you can edit your script over here, or you can write your strategy on this page or in this section. And once you write your strategy or script, you simply need to click on add to chart and you'll be able to backtest your TradingView indicators successfully. So basically this is how you can backtest on TradingView indicators. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.